Now that the Supreme Court has moved the issue of abortion over 2 states, some fear technology could help authorities target and surveil pregnant women.
Yeah, and experts warn that data collected from fertility apps and Google searches could be used to prosecute abortion cases. Vanessa Yurkiewicz has more.
Any data related to reproduction is profitable.
Our data is everywhere, and it's for sale. Now that Roe v. Wade is overturned, law enforcement could use a woman's personal data to bring criminal charges if they suspect she's received an illegal abortion.
There is no difference in the data from your reproductive choices than the pair of shoes you looked at online. It's treated exactly the same in the law right now, and that's what the problem is.
As states tighten their abortion laws, prosecutors could go after people seeking an abortion or those helping them by subpoenaing data linked on fertility apps, period trackers, and on internet searches. Companies currently sell that kind of data mainly to advertisers because it's profitable.
Data brokers, law enforcement buy information from them all of the time. It could be used to incriminate us for women and girls who obtain abortions in violation of state laws. And it can be used to land people in jail.
Fertility and period tracking apps have some of the most sensitive reproductive information. But since Roe v. Wade was overturned, Flow, a period tracking app which says they have 240 million users, announced an anonymous mode where users will be able to limit their personal information. But members are encouraged to reach out to the company if they want their historical data removed.
How can you fully protect against a member's data not being revealed?
We are making sure that our anonymous mode at Natural Cycles will be impossible for us to connect the personal data and the sensitive data.
Alina Berglund-Scherwitzel is the co-founder of Natural Cycles.
Who has access to that key that could only connect the data?
Only the user.
Natural Cycles is a subscription FDA-approved birth control app that also helps those who want to get pregnant.
We have very sensitive data on unintended pregnancies, but we are very much in control of that analysis and of that data.
CNN reached out to nearly a dozen big tech companies about how they would handle data requests through subpoenas and warrants from law enforcement targeting abortion seekers. Some did not respond at all or directly to the question. Apple responded saying health data is encrypted when two-factor authentication is enabled. While Meta says, quote, we comply with government requests for user information only where we have a good faith belief that the law requires us to do so.
They could fight warrants in court, but if the warrants are upheld, they're going to be ordered to comply.
Some legal experts don't believe even anonymous mode data is fully protected and say the only way to fully protect privacy is through federal law limiting the data companies can collect, store, and sell.
There's a lot of panic right now, and I think rightfully so, about the feeling and the ability to trust and expect that the information about, most sensitive information about our bodies and our relationships and our health is ours.
Vanessa Yurkiewicz, New York.